When the place you feel safest becomes a war zone, how far will you go to survive? Are you safe in your house?
Spend my days inspecting factories, construction sites, and chemical plants. People think that's where the danger is.
But statistics tell a different story. The most dangerous place isn't the job site. It's right here, your home. As a safety engineer, I see hidden traps everywhere. Today, I'm sharing 7 things I never do in my own house. Check your list. Are you guilty of number 4? Number 1, the pillow charger. I never charge my phone under my pillow or on a soft bed while sleeping. Lithium batteries generate heat while charging. Pillows trap that heat. There is no airflow. This leads to thermal runaway. It's the fastest way to start a bedroom fire while you are asleep. Charge on a hard surface, like a nightstand. Number 2, the hidden wire. I never run extension cords under rugs. It looks neat, right? Wrong. People walk on it, crushing the insulation. Plus, the rug traps heat. The wire degrades silently over time until it sparks. You won't see the fire until the rug is already burning. Number 3, the chemist mistake. I never mix cleaning products, especially bleach. Mixing bleach with toilet bowl cleaner, ammonia, or vinegar creates chloramine or chlorine gas. These are actual chemical weapons used in war. Don't play chemist in your bathroom. Use one product at a time. Number 4, the water reflex. If an oil fire starts, I never, ever use water. Water sinks to the bottom, boils instantly, and explodes the burning oil into a massive fireball. Instead, I simply slide a lid over the pan and turn off the heat. Lack of oxygen kills the fire safely. Number 5, the lint trap. I never start the dryer without cleaning the lint trap. Dryer lint is highly flammable. It's basically kindling. If the filter is clogged, heat builds up, and your machine catches fire. It takes 5 seconds to clean. Do it every single time. Number 6, the shiny killer. This is for parents. I never leave button batteries loose. They look like candy, but if a child swallows one, it reacts with saliva and burns a hole through their esophagus in just 2 hours. I keep these locked away like poison. Number 7, the finger slicer. I never use a mandolin slicer without the handguard. In the they call this the finger slicer. One slip, and you lose a fingertip. It's not worth the salad. Use the guard or use a knife. Your home should be your sanctuary, not a hazard zone. Check these 7 items today. Small changes save lives. I'm the work safety guru. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.